Good morning, everybody. This is BB. Welcome back to my channel, and I'd like to show you a few cards that I've been working on. This here is a card for my father-in-law. His birthday's coming up, and he loves cars and classic cards. This was cut with my Cricut Explore Air 2, and the images are the ones you can find in Design Space. This is a 5x7 card. And let me give you up close. And I colored the red with red metallic glitter paint. Because, hey, if you're going to have a classic card, that's what you got to do, right? My next card is a Mother's Day card. And this was from the 2018 Cricut card event. It's a group on Facebook, and once a year, people create cards from the Design Space files and post them, and you can use them. And I'm going to put the link below for this one, so if you have Design Space, it's a public card. It's not any licensed images or anything, so you'll be able to do this. This is a bendy card, and I did a garden theme for Mother's Day. These next three cards are inspired from the tutorial from May Made It. These are what she calls the impossible cards. And I'll put a link below for her YouTube tutorial. And this one says, "Sorry to hear that you feel like poo." This is for our aunt of ours that's in the hospital and not feeling well, so I thought she'd get a kick out of it. The next two are Mother's Day cards. And I used the 5x7 size. I just think I like them better. And on the back, you could sign the card. And the next one is also, excuse me, a Mother's Day card. Just a little different. So I will put in the links below the link for the May Made It tutorial, the link for the Garden Bendy card. So I hope you enjoyed these cards. Have a great day. Make it a crafty one. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks so much. Bye.